How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Adam and this is Maple Monkey Media. Look where we are. You can see the wall behind me. You can see the door to my side. Back at the cabin for another episode today. Thank you for stopping by, seeing what's happening. Let's get on with today's video. As always, one of the first things that we did at the cabin when we get here, we get the fireplace all stogged up and looking good. So we're gonna get that burning good. We got the fan on, spinning already. Awesome stuff, Action Jackson. And down here at the cabin today, it is a balmy -3 degrees. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping. I can even hear the brook to my right babbling. So the babbling brook is going under the snow, and soon it's going to be feeding into a swimming pond. I can't wait. Alrighty then, so I had some of y'all suggest, great idea, so thank you for the tips and all that, to just replace some of these screws. I have some 3-inch screws here, so we're going to drive them right through here, and that'll be going into the jack stud. And we're going to do the same to the top one up here. Take these out. We'll put our 3-inch screws in. All right, well, there we go. We got those screws in place, and boom, another thing to check off the list. Alrighty, well there we have it. I just had this board right down here. It was a little bit off, so I didn't want to let it go. And I was going to, but I said, we'll take it apart and fix her all up, make her all square. So now that it's all square, I'll get over to my stringers and we'll start laying those down. I may do a staircase being able to lift it. That way it'll be able to give me room for some storage under here. So we'll see what happens and we'll see what the brain thoughts come up with. What an absolutely gorgeous day it is down here. Can hear the birds calling in the background. Little slight breeze, sun is shining, probably right around 0 degrees. It is absolutely toasty, toasty in the cabin. The fire's going absolutely great. The wood stove fan is circulating some heat, and I'm sure if it's this warm downstairs, it's even warmer upstairs. Well, we're moving right along with the staircase. I actually found another, right there, another 2x6. So I have 2 stairs cut, probably another 2 or 3 more. Not gonna cut out the L's for my stringers. I'm gonna just brace them on blocks and secure them that way. Probably not gonna put hinges or anything on it. Just going to put a regular staircase on, and then from the other side where the kitchen is, I'm gonna put an access way to be able to access underneath the staircase. Alrighty then, we got our stairs cut. Bob's your uncle. Very nice. All right, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Ugh. Oh yeah. Moving right along with the staircase. Woo! You just seen me go up the 3 steps there, so I have 1 more to go on. They're about a foot apart. Not actually using the rise over run method. Just with the space that I have, I've kind of just spaced them where it feels good to climb up, to walk on. And oh, that is super, super awesome. We're on to, well, we're almost on to the next step of getting the second landing built. So close after the bottom stairs are done. We are on to the second landing, and then once the landing up top is built, I can build my second set of staircase going the opposite direction. Whew, awesome stuff. Woo! Bottom piece of the staircase is all done. Now I need to make the upper landing and then the upper part of the staircase. And I won't have to climb the walls, even though this is Maple Monkey Media. All right, well, there we have it. Boom, boom, boom. Still got to go over and put in my cross bracing on either sides of the steps. But holy, let's just take a little walk up there. 1, 2, 3, 4 onto the landing, and then there's going to be a log that goes up from here all the way up here, and then there's going to be a landing right here as well from this side to this side, probably about from there about 2 feet out. But look at that, just love it. Sleeping loft up here, and then back down we go. So what I'm going to do is I still have to build a railing over on this side as well. But man, that feels so awesome. Woo! Woo! Love it! Oh, love it, love it, love it. Oh, that's awesome. Ooh. Well, the day is winding down. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's between somewhere around 3 and 4 o'clock. So another couple hours of daylight. We got the bottom staircase all finished. Absolutely love it. Just got done setting up my bed up top for tonight. It's nice and roasty toasty up in the loft up there. We'll take a little gander up there in a second. Once I get the landing for the upper loft on the go, for the upper part of the staircase I should say, then I can hopefully dig out my maple log that I have there, get the dimensions off that and start running my staircases off that. If that's not the case, we'll have to kind of play it by ear with the maple log. If that's the case where I can't use it, then I'm going to do the same thing down here and just use 2x6s for my stringers as well. All right, let's take a little gander upstairs. Oh, look at that. So much nicer being able to use these stairs. Can't wait till over here is all done right there. So here we are up in the sleeping loft. Still have to make my railing that connects on to where the stairs are going to go over here all the way across there. So here it is looking down there. That's what the bottom staircase looks like. Over here is going to be where the landing goes for the other stairs. Got my bed all set up. Roasty toasty up here. Unfortunately, it looks like the tarp came loose outside. If you can see that. Yeah, it's just blowing in the breeze out there. So since the roof tarp is off, there's still tar paper under it and there's no leaks right now. So that's good. Hopefully it stays that way for when the springtime comes, and hopefully the nicer weather comes so we can get that ladder and get everything all situated to get the cedar on the roof here. Can't wait for that. So absolutely stoked to get all these projects checked off. There's so much that I want to do with the nice weather coming up here soon. I can't wait. Well, the day is winding down. I've just been spending the last little bit cleaning. Actually looks like a place you could kind of live in right now. This is kind of getting to the cleanest it's been. Looking absolutely awesome. Got my bag of food. Still need to pick up some vapor barrier for the insulation and all that to get that covered. The only reason I haven't done that is because I'm contemplating whether or not I want to pick up some plugs and some wire and wire it all in for a generator. There's the staircase we just got working on. So I still may put that staircase on some hinges and get it up out of the way when it's not being used. Very, very shortly in the coming weeks, getting ready also for my kitchen area in here. So get it all cleaned up, and going to be building my countertops and cabinets, all that good stuff. Absolutely loving it. Doors all good to go. Absolutely loving it there as well. The fire over here is just radiating some huge heat. It is just absolutely cooking. The fan works absolutely awesome. Open it up, and we got a nice coal bed there, as you can see, just roasty, roasty, roasty. Ooh, that is chucking some nice heat right now. All right, well, it is getting on to that time, almost dinner time. Unfortunately, I don't have a steak quite yet. Probably just another can of chili or a can of beans, something simple. And the nighttime is creeping in. We got the bottom of the staircase all secured. Absolutely love it. Well, I shouldn't say secured, but built, just because I still might put it on some hinges. But it is built. We can climb the first set of stairs, and then after this, we will be getting on with the landing. Super excited, super excited. So I'm going to leave the video here for the day. Hopefully you liked today's episode. Muchly appreciate y'all checking out the episode and seeing what's happening back here at the property and at the tiny little 12 by 12 cabin I have here. Muchly appreciated. Keep that stick on the ice. There is no failure if you just keep going. And just remember, you can't start at the finish line. The only person that it has to make sense to is you. This is Adam signing off. Maple Monkey Media at the cabin. Woo, 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 woo. Cheers, y'all. God bless.